how to rotate or switch to different navbar notifications on the lock screen. So here on the lock screen, you can see I have a stack notifications in the navbar at the bottom of the lock screen. So if you want to go to a different notifications, what you can do is simply swipe up or down. So here we swipe up like this, and this will allow you to go to the next notifications in the navbar. Or you can swipe down, so swipe up or swipe down will allow you to rotate or switch to the next notifications. And that's it. It's very simple. If you want to view the details of the notifications, you can tap on it and that will enlarge. If I go to navbar or now brief, it will ask me to log in to open up the actual application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.